welcome to my channel. Another travel adventure ang episode natin today as we're celebrating 25th anniversary of TWI or Travel Warehouse Inc. And happy anniversary po to my TWI family. And we're flying to one of the newest destinations ng airline na to. Kung saan na yan, abangan ninyo. So we just got here in Terminal 3 and alam mo na, pag Terminal 3, we're flying Cebu Pacific. Expect nyo na maraming tao talaga dito kasi maraming gusto lumipad. And mas marami talaga makakalipad kasi ang daming magandang deals ng Cebu Pacific. So we just passed through immigration after an hour or less. Or maybe more, I don't know. Anyway, gusto ko lang pasalamat sa haba na pinagsamahan natin, sa lahat ng mga biyaheng pinagsamahan natin. Finally, ngayon po siya nag-let go. Yung handheld GoPro ko na putol. Sa handheld ko na tong GoPro ngayon. Okay lang din, at least kasya sa bulsa. Alright, we're boarding, finally. Hi!
Hello!
Hey. Boarding buddies, flying to Dana. Ang layo. Boarded.
1, 2, 3.
Aga-aga, nagchichismisan po sila sa likod.
Kinakabahan na po kami sa ride. Ride.
Roller coaster. Alright, baggage claim tayo. We just passed through immigration. Waiting for a bag. Mabilis naman. After 10 years, nakabalik ako ng Vietnam. And first time ko dito sa Da Nang. So, yung banh mi na bibigay ni ate, it's Anthony Bourdain approved. One of the best. According to him.
How do you say it again? Banh mi pho?
Banh mi pho.
Banh mi pho.
So, they gave us some banh mi.
Yeah.
From Banh Mi Phuong. Banh Mi Phuong. And then now, some oranges. What? So if you notice,
yeah,
it's on a nice baguette. It's because they're heavily influenced by the French. So most of their sandwiches, like the banh mi, it's in the baguette.
Okay, can we do the team?
Okay, so room tour muna tayo. Thank you TWI Cebu Pacific and Hadana Resort. Hadana Boutique Resort. Officially our day 1 in Da Nang here in Hoi An, and we're going to the temples today, I think.
They also give oil and hot stone spa.
So we are here on our first stop. Ayan, nagta-transition na siya. Nagiging shades na siya. I think these are things that are soaked in wine and other liquids. Mga nahahanap nila sa forest nila. Galing. They utilize everything. We're in Maison, the World Cultural Heritage.
Kala ko nagjo-joke ka na ng Mission Impossible.
So we've arrived in one of the ruins here in Maison. It's very nice, very reminiscent of Angkor Wat in Cambodia.
Remember I told you, and until now, no people know exactly what's between the brick, right? So you see between the brick, no space between them. Even the statue and the wall, no space between them. So surround here, you will see some building with the window and some building with no window. So if you go inside, if you see any building, no window, and only one main gate face to the east direction. So that's the place for worshiping. It's just like for worshiping. And if you see any buildings, the tower with the window at the both sides, that's the place for containing the ritual thing. Yeah, ritual thing. All the place where the king he stayed there before the ceremony.
So
I
this
hope to see
this
all
is
of
the
you again.
lingam stone. It symbolizes fertility. Ayan. Tapos yung water daw pinapadaan dyan para pag maligo yung ano, yung king. So in here is very calm, very serene, very reminiscent of Angkor Wat as well. The only difference is up the top medyo mas curved siya as compared to Angkor Wat, mas marami mga pointed na structure. Ayan na mas curved yung ibabaw. Tignan niyo. It's a different experience, no? And it's worth visiting. So I'm just really grateful na Cebu Pacific flies to Da Nang now. It's the only aircraft we have in the Philippines, or airline carrier we have in the Philippines that flies to Da Nang. So wag niyo i-miss opportunity na makapunta dito. And syempre maraming salamat sa TWI family, my Tourista family, for taking me places just like Da Nang. Happy 25th anniversary!
Bye! Bye!
So from our lunch, we're taking these hat-shaped boats. Ang challenge dyan is huwag kang mahilo habang umiikot. So pagkakain natin, ikot, suka, fish feeding. Alright.
Nahihilo
Hindi ko alam kung ano yung binabalak niyang gawin, pero ayan, mukhang may sinasabit po siya. Ah, wear it? Oh, okay, okay.
We have to wear it.
Hello. Nasaan tayo?
Nasa Vietnam.
Galing? Galing.
Talino. Talino.
The way na pinapaddle nila, there's a certain way. Tignan mo. Ayan o. Parang kinukuha na rin nila yung shape nung basket. Amazing. Yan, so nanghuli kami ng crablet. Crablet.
Crablet.
Ano huli
ka? Oh, crabs. No.
So we just got off the bus. Where are we, Lynn?
Hoi An. It's like the old quarter of Hoi An.
So dito sa Hoi An, pwede ka mag-customize ng sarili mong damit. Ayan, mga patahian nila sa likod.
Handicraft workshop. So they don't sleep anymore, only eat and grow very fast. 23 or 24 days old, when they get the full size, they stop eating, stop sleeping, and start making cocoons. At the time, put them on the bamboo frame like this. The worm will make the cocoon by spitting out a silk thread from their mouth. Cocoon is very long, only single threads. But to have a stronger thread, you can see like this, we have to combine many threads come together like this. To have a stronger thread like this by hand for making the raw silk.
It's a very nice street. Ang dami mga shops. They sell everything from bags, shirts, painting. This spot reminds me of Boracay. Sa may Station 2. So I guess Sarah, our guide, is about to make us try coconut coffee. No? Coconut coffee. Cheers! Sorry! Humpog! Yes! Ganyan nagdumi 4 talaga.
Feel na feel.
So yung mga lantern, hindi pala siya magpo-float. It's gonna, I mean, hindi siya aangat sa ere. It's just gonna float on water. Which is better, I think. It's much nicer. Lalo, pabor siya sa drone ko. it's even more beautiful at night. Talagang naka-highlight yung mga lanterns. Ilaw sila. It's like stars are floating or parang naka-reflect yung mga bituin sa tubig. Wow, poetic. So from Kong Cafe, we're heading to dinner. And we're passing by this very nice street, reminiscent of one of the nicest streets in Hanoi. It's the Old Quarter. Parang ganun yung vibe nito. But this is much more vibrant in a way na mas maraming lanterns. It is day 3 in Vietnam and here in Da Nang. And for our first stop, we're going to a marble factory. Ayan.
Oh my god, crystals. Oh my god.
Heaven this is heaven for you.
I did not expect that we were going to the place.
Oh my gosh. Heaven for Ashley.
Oh my god.
So it's not just marbles, it's also crystals around. I remember when I was a kid, sobrang takot ko sa mga ganyan, mga sculpture. And then as I grew older, parang nag-develop ako ng admiration for the skill. With my recent trips sa Europe, ang dami ko nakitang sobrang detailed na mga sculpture and doon ko na-appreciate talaga. Malalo. No? And I think I'm reminded again ngayon nandito ako sa Da Nang. Naman no, gano'n ka-detailed mga works nila. It's amazing. Since surrounded sila ng mga bundok na maraming marble, ayun, pinagkakitaan na nila. They made it into a livelihood and turned everything into beautiful work of art. So for our second stop for today, it's Bana Hills and nasa theme park tayo. It's called Sun World. Xin chào. Xin chào. So we're heading towards, or going up towards the Tok Kien station where we'll take the cable car. So right before you ride the cable car, you get a good vantage point of Bana Hills, of Sun World. Welcome to Sun World. First time ko makakita ng theme park, I think na ganito kataas. So, kita mo yung fog. Alright. So, we're heading towards the much-awaited part of the strip, yung Golden Bridge. Yung may dalawang kamay. And apparently, magki-cable car pa tayo ulit from Sun World. Ayan o. As expected, ang daming tao. But it's still beautiful. So for only $60, may entrance ka na to the park, makikita mo na yung Golden Bridge, meron ka pang food buffet, $60, so roughly around 3,000 pesos kasi included na, all included, wala ka na problemahin. This would be a nice destination lalo kung malaking grupo kayo. Also, they have a very wide selection of food, from Vietnamese, some Korean. Check them out. Punta kayo dito. Four Seasons yung pangalan. Bababa kayo 2 levels down via the escalator from the exit of the Golden Bridge. So So, nandito kami sa ilalim nung parang Louvre na structure. Very nice hall, no? With all the pillars and reflection. Kasi ang kintab nung sahig. Ayun, ito mo. May reflection. So, pro tip, after nyo kumain ng Four Seasons sa baba, akit kayo 2 levels up. And then, huwag kayo umakit na isa pa kasi huwag kayo muna dumiretso sa theme park. Stay kayo doon sa floor na yon. Ayan po. And then you'll find this area. Nanlibre po si R ng 500,000. 500,000. Grabe. Tigil isang
Mag-one more ka na lang. Gigantic!
Video! Minimekos-mekos talaga ni ate. Bakit ako?
Tawa-tawa ako. Mukhang may mawawala ng trabaho, mama.
Gusto ko, panalunin mo na yan, girl.
Legit! So,
Sabi nila Danang daw is the land of ascending dragon. So, feeling ko lang naman, ito yun. May-relate ko lang. Mag-ano kami, ting-ting. Kasi nasa Vietnam kami. Abangan nyo lang sa reel, yung ting-ting-tang namin. Okay. So pabalik, open na yun namin. We're like in a cage. So we have a better vantage point of everything. From the falls to the other cable cars na dumadaan.
Ngayon?
So we're currently passing the Dragon Bridge.
1
Here.
minute for one round.
Dragon.
You just
Ito
rotate the
yung
bridge
ulo.
for only for tourists. But not every day.
That's the head.
Normally, at week.
Our next stop, we're here in Pho Tin.
Yes.
It's Pho time.
What do you want extra? The most excellent.
Ready for Pho?
Hi!
Pho.
Pho.
Ang grabe ka naman sa mukha ko.
Okay lang.
It's delicious.
So, for our, I think last stop before dinner, we're here at Qua Mien Trong. Qua Mien Trong. Parang siyang isang malaking pasalubong center. So, okay ito kasi one-stop shop na siya. Hindi ka na mag-iisip kung saan mo kukunin yung ganito, saan mo kukunin yung ganyan. It's all here. Actually, busog pa kami from the Pho, pero dahil love na love tayo ng TWI at bawal magutom sa pamilyang to.
Food baby. Gosh. Pero
Laban pa din. Laban.
Laban.
Laban. Those are our starters. Siya, ano niya, appetizer niya, ano.
Ang ganda sana pero
Pretty.
yung hotdog ka na.
big bellies.
Big bellies. So, room tour tayo dito sa Vanda Hotel here in Da Nang. I think I'll retire for the night. Rest and pack yung mga pinamili kong pasalubong. Can you believe this is just all worth 1 million? Woo! 1 million, 1.2 million Vietnamese dong. So, para mga... Kayo na bahala mag-compute. Basta 1.2 million dong siya. Ito yung priceless. yung view dito sa Vanda Hotel. So we're en route to Hue and we're stopping here in Cafe Tea. Cafe Tea.
Very sagada.
Oo nga. Tayo lang talaga nagkakaintindihan sa mga ganyan. Yeah, so maaraw pero the wind is cold. Inulit ko lang sinabi mo.
But if you're afraid of heights.
But if you're afraid of heights, sa bus na lang kayo. And for our noontime activity, we're having a very experiential lunch. A Vietnamese one as well here in Itao Garden. Hi Sarah.
Hi.
Xin chào.
Xin chào.
So this is the Citadel. It's just a few minutes away from our lunch place. Yeah. Sarap, mahangin. Mainit pero mahangin. So we're going inside Imperial Palace. Against the light. Grabe na laki ng arwana nila, pati koi. Na-try mo na isaw sa yung daliri mo sa koi pan. Gaganon sa subo nila. Wala silang ngipin eh.
Okay. Sige nga.
So akit tayo ng Imperial Palace. Sabi ni Sarah kanina, may isang room doon na ng mga empress na sila lang yung merong view ng buong city. Ayan.
Maganda siya.
So nakita ko yung stairs, di na ako akyat. Hanggang dito lang ako. Kwento nyo na lang sa akin na kung ano meron sa taas. So this is Hen Lam Pavilion. That one. Ayan. And may pa-cultural sila na music, which is nice. A good addition to this adventure.
So if you see any costume with the embroidery,
Yan yung costume ng queens.
that's for the queen. And if you see the dragon, for
So now we're going to the Royal Theatre. It's somewhere here. I think yung nasa right na yan. So we are taking the boats from the pagoda. We had a few minutes there to take photos, a group photo. And then now, para siyang dinner cruise, I suppose. Ayan siya. Dito tayo sa Perfume River. Hindi pa rin nire-reveal ni Sarah kung bakit siya tinawag na Perfume River. Pero sabi niya meron daw kami maamoy.
Utot.
Pero honestly, nag-expect ako na amoy perfume. Ay, oo, meron nga. Parang may lavender. Royal Pork for dinner. So apparently we need to wear their traditional costume. Yeah. So after dinner, check-in na tayo dito sa White Lotus Hotel. Good night, judges. I might explore a little of Hue. Just a bit without my cameras on. At least meron tayong pahinga, you know, ma-explore natin yung city first-hand, hindi yung camera yung una. We take in the experience. Rest na din to di ba? And then, pag pauwi na, well, in transit, doon na ulit ang editing. Anyway, I'm not closing yet. I'm closing tayo bukas. Right. Bye. It is day 5 here in Vietnam and we're still in Hue. And our first stop is the Tu Duc Tomb. Ito yung kwarto ng king, bedroom ng king. Ayan siya. Maliit lang daw yung king It's really short. So, everything's smaller. Like, miniature size. Hindi mo miniature, pero a downsized version of everything. Like, a small bed, a small chair. I-explain niya yun ni Ai, our new tour guide, na kaya raw maliliit yung upuan dito. Yung mga bangko, tulad nun, dahil bukod sa nung bata pa yung king, mina-worship na rin siya. Hindi siya related kung ba't maliliit yung upuan sa labas sa mga bangko. It's because generally daw, mga Vietnamese maliliit. They're shorter.
She walks very fast. And the food not the grass, we back. And we'll tell the king.
May tubig siya especially.
4D daw. Alam ko 3D lang yun
How can tell the king? Chilling.
May lalabas ka na tubig siya kung ano.
Fountain pala. Fountain. 4D nga.
Alam mo, kaya, bobo ko na sa vlog mo.
If it put like this, it means long life, longevity.
Long life daw,
If it
long life.
turn like this on the top, this on the down here. Turn like this, it means happiness. So one word, two meaning. Like this means longevity. And turn like this means happiness. Yeah, it's a very popular.
Paano? Shin-chan.
Sing-chang. Hindi pwede
Hindi pwede kasi iba yung meaning.
Oo.
Ano dapat?
Sing-chang. Oh my God, inuuto mo na.
So next stop, we're in the Incense Village. Ito pa lang pala Incense Village. Kanina yung Tu Duc Tomb. Pag tatawid ka dito, dapat walang hesitation. Pag diretso. Pag nag-hesitate ka midway, sagasaan ka ng mga motor. So this is our lunch place. Forgot the name of the restaurant.
Ready to eat.
Gongjiang Shua. Overall, sobrang saya na experience ko dito sa Vietnam, dito sa Da Nang. Thanks so much sa aking TWI family and my Cebu Pacific Air family for taking me to this new destination and for taking good care of us. Talagang everyday, alagang-alagang TWI ang ramdam namin at alagang Cebu Pacific din syempre. Ayan, so we're having a coffee break lang. Always remember, dito says Jeremy, the more you eat, silaw na silaw, the more you love. See you on our next vlog. Bumubuga ng apoy yan pag sa gabi. Mukhang di na... Di seryoso.
Oo nga.
Kala ko di ka na naman naniniwala.